Good morning, everyone. Today, we shall be discussing about how to find the equation of the tangent of a circle. Once again, finding the equation of the tangent of the circle. To find the equation of the tangent of a circle at point into bracket 4, 13. That is to say, when x equals 4 and y equals 13. From here, we deduce from the equation given, which is x raised to the power 2 minus 4x plus y raised to the power 2 plus 10y minus 71 equals 0, which is equation 1, the equation given. By using the circle equation rule, we deduce the following. X raised to the power 2 minus 2ax plus y raised to the power 2 minus 2by plus c, which is our constant, equals 0, equation 2. This very equation is what we know as a standard formula to find tangent to a circle. Then, by using the formula over here, which is x raised to the power 2 minus 2ax plus y raised to the power 2 minus 2by plus c, which is constant, equals 0, then we correlate and juxtapose this formula to the equation of the circle, which we are given in equation 1. So, by comparing equation 1 and 2, or by juxtaposing between equation 1 and 2, then we have this table set up. When x raised to the power 2, we have x raised to the power 2. When minus 2ax, we have minus 4ax. When y raised to the power 2, we have y raised to the power 2. When minus 2by, we have plus 10y. When plus c, which is constant, we have minus 71, equals 0 and equals 0. Then we can see that all our algebra are being compared in both equations and formulas. Then from there, we can deduce that minus 2ax equals minus 4x. From there, we can collect the like terms, which is 2a equals 4. Then our a equals 4 raised to the power 4 over 2. Then our a equals 2. Then on the other side, we have minus 2by equals 10y. From there, we have minus 2by equals 10. Then b equals 10 over 2. Then we have b equals minus 5. So from there, we can deduce that at a given circle, which we have over here, the center point calculated from the equation of the circle are when the center at 2 and minus 5, as we have here. By slotting the number calculated, which is 2 and minus 5, then we find our center point. Then from the equation given, we can see that C, which is constant, equals minus 71. Then we write our C, which equals minus 71. In so doing, then we connect the line from the center to the circumference of the circle, pointing to the P, which is at the circumference. Then we can say that centers A, comma B, bracket, equals centers, bracket 2, comma, minus 5, which is the centers of our circle. From there, we can calculate the gradient of the radius, which is MR. Our MR, which equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is the formula for a gradient of a straight line connecting the radius, which we have in our first circle here, the center, which is 2, comma, minus 5, connecting the center to the circumference. Our circumference, which we are given at the first point of our equation, which is 4 minus 13. Then from there, we equate it in our circle to the point on the circumference, which is 4 to minus 13. Then we have MR equals 13 minus 5 all over 4 minus 2. From there, we calculate our gradient, which is MR, which equals 18 over 2, which equals 9. From there, we calculate the gradient of the tangent, MT, formula, which always equals MR times MT equals minus 1. From there, we deduce that our MR, which equals to 9 times MT equals minus T. Therefore, MT will be minus 1 over 9, which also explain to us that our tangent to the circumference of our circle, which is at P over here, is having the equation formula of MT equals minus 1 over 9. From there, from the reference from here, then we can deduce that when MT equals minus 1 over 9 at 4, 13, then our equation, which is y equals mx plus c equals 13 equals minus 1 over 9 in bracket 4 plus c, which is constant. From there, we can deduce that c equals 13 plus 4 over 9. Then our constant equals 117 plus 4 over 9. And from there, our C equals minus 117 plus 4 over 9. Then when C, which is constant, equals 121 over 9, we deduce that y equals mx plus c, when y equals minus 9x plus 121 over 9. By multiplying both sides by 9, we find 9y equals 121 minus x. Then the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point 4, 13 equals y equals minus 0.11x plus 13.44. Thank you very much.